Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and new video. In this video I will show you how to create your own web blog like this, by using Wix.com. Wix is yet another amazing blogging platform for creating stunning websites. With plenty of easy drag and drop templates and free site hosting, Wix is one of the best free blog sites to start a new blog. Creating a website in Wix is easy. You can do it just like you are working on a photo editing software. Just drag and drop anything you want, customize as you wish. This video is also going to cover how to use Wix.com, how to make a personal website, how to design a website, easy way to create a website, and design your website. So, let's get into and start. Go to Google and search for Wix.com. The leader in website creation, click Start Now. You can register and continue with your Facebook account, Google account, and email address. If you don't have account yet, click Sign Up and continue registration. I already have an account on Wix, just need to log in. From the right side, click on Create New Site. What kind of website are you creating? Online store, portfolio, blog, or technology company? Select blog and go next. Choose how you want to create your website. You have two options. Let Wix ADI create a website for you. For this, you need to answering some questions. Second option is template. We are using template for this video. Click Edit Template. The one downside of all this choice is that once you choose your template, you can't change it. You'll therefore want to make sure you're happy with the template you choose. You can search for your template. Before you start edit the template, view demo of the template first. If you like it, do edit. Your template will be prepare a few minutes, just wait it loads. This is where you can play around with simple but brilliant editing features, like the drag and drop design and text boxes. All you need to, drag and drop templates, replace the items and design your template as you like. You can upload images from your device, social media. You can use media from Wix also, if you need, can search by category. All category are available here for you. Here you can link your own social media for more connecting and promotion. You can add more media if have, just select the media icon and click Add to Gallery. Add your username, and put your media link. more, please watch and follow the video. If you faced any issue, please ask me on comment section.